Hello guys, today we'll be learning how to do addition of two numbers using functions in C. So let's start. First we'll give the header file, include stdioh.h. Then we'll give another one, include stdlib.h. Okay. Now we'll write our void function, void add. Let's define it. Let's give floating values, float a, float b, because we want to add decimals too. So first we'll declare them and then we'll give a print statement. Enter first number, semicolon. Now we'll give a scan %f because it's a floating value, comma, ampersand a. Okay. Now we'll give a new line. Then close it. Then we'll write another print statement. Enter second number, semicolon. Then we'll scan the next value, that is b. We'll again give %f, comma, ampersand b. Now we'll define another integer c. C will be the result of a plus b. I'm sorry, it has to be float c because the answer should return a floating value because the input values are floats. Okay, we've done it. Now lastly, we'll give another print statement. Let's leave a line, semicolon. Final print statement, sum of two numbers is %f, comma, c. Here we won't use ampersand. So our void function is ready. Now we'll write our main function. Let's initialize our main function, main. Now all you have to do is call the add function here, add, give a semicolon. Then you have to write our final statement, and that is return 0. Okay, let's build it now. Let's see if there is any error or something. So there is an error in line 9, and the error was simple. I forgot to give this double quotes. Okay, let's check it again. Okay, float c. What is the problem here? I forgot to give a semicolon. Okay, that's okay, I guess. Let me see in the. So it's okay now. We have 0 errors, 0 warnings. Let's run our program and see what comes out. Enter first number 12, enter second number 45. The answer is sum of two numbers is 57. Let's run it again for a float value. So I'll give the first number is 3.5 and I'll give the second number is 2.5. So the answer is 6 and this is totally correct, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like this, then please subscribe to the channel, like it. I will put questions that will be related to your college questions. So subscribe the channel, guys, and leave a comment if you have any doubt. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.